we have a formula that will estimate the cost to remove a certain percent of pollutant from a pond. All right, so let's calculate first how much it would cost to remove 90%. So that's going to be C equals 100,000 times 90, because they tell us that P represents the percent, all over 100 minus 90. So don't multiply the numerator out, just leave it like that. You don't ever want to make your numbers bigger, because what you always want to do is try to cancel. So 10 will go into 90 9 times, so now you're left with 900,000. And that's cost to get rid of 90%. Now let's figure out the 80%. So that's going to be 100,000 times an 80, and then 100 minus 80. So that's 100,000, 80 over 20. And once again, 20 will go into 80 4 times. So that's going to be 400,000. So 900,000 minus the 400,000 gives you 500,000. So it costs $500,000 more to remove 90% than 80%.